Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. Let's take a look at the top 9 news from the world of entertainment. First up, legendary actor Dilip Kumar turns 98. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar, who enthralled audiences with classics like Mughal-e-Azam, Devdas, Karma and Aan, turns 98 today. However, the actor's wife Saira Banu has revealed that the actor will not be celebrating his birthday this year due to the personal loss he suffered by the passing away of his brothers Ehsan and Aslam. Fans drool over Virushka's PDA on their third anniversary. Power couple Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma, also known as Virushka, are celebrating their third wedding anniversary today. The couple took to social media to share their unseen pictures, which have sent their fans into a frenzy. While Virat shared a picture from their wedding and captioned it, 3 years and on to a lifetime together, Anushka captioned her post as 3 years of us and very soon 3 of us. Bollywood stars join Elf on the Shelf meme fest. Several beatdown stars have joined the viral Elf on the Shelf challenge, as part of which celebrities across the world are sharing pictures of themselves along with a tiny Photoshop photograph of a celebrity perched on their shoulders. While Priyanka Chopra was the first celeb from Bollywood to try out the challenge, several other stars have also joined the list. Kareena Kapoor Khan clears air over her second baby's name. After controversy erupted over the name of her first child, Taimur, Kareena Kapoor Khan has cleared the air over the name of her second baby. The soon-to-be mother, who revealed her second pregnancy in August this year, addressed the rumors surrounding her second baby's name. While speaking to the media and also her co-star Neha Dhupia, Bebo clarified that neither her nor Saif Ali Khan have made any decision about the name of the child. Kangana Ranaut reveals plans of building a temple. Yes, the Bollywood actress, who has been all over the news in 2020, revealed her plans while sharing a picture of herself from an ancient temple in her hometown, Himachal Pradesh. Disney announces expansion plans on Disney+. Disney has revealed that an aggressive expansion strategy is something that they're looking at, in which they have planned to release 10 new TV series in each of the Marvel and Star Wars franchises over the next few years. Another 15 live-action Disney animation and Pixar shows and 15 Disney animation and Pixar feature films will be available on the streaming service. Tom Hiddleston is back as the fan-favorite villain Loki. Disney has unveiled the first trailer for Loki, the upcoming live-action series starring Tom Hiddleston as the fan-favorite Marvel villain. The footage picks up from where Loki was last seen in Avengers Endgame, when he stole the Tesseract and also disappeared. Loki will follow that Avengers-era version of the villain in a new alternative timeline. Taylor Swift releases new album Evermore. The latest release is her second studio release of 2020, following the release of her critically acclaimed album Folklore earlier this year. The singer said she had written enough songs to create Evermore, which she describes is the sister record featuring collaborations with Haim, The National and Bon Iver. Ellen DeGeneres tests positive for COVID-19. The 62-year-old television host Ellen DeGeneres has announced that she has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Ellen made the announcement on Twitter, and interestingly, in October, the Ellen DeGeneres show became one of the first television productions to return to inviting a limited number of in-studio audience members since the coronavirus forced widespread shutdowns in the entertainment industry. So these were our top 9 news from the world of entertainment. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.